Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today I conducted an estate planning webinar. I've been conducting them for some time now. 2019, the beginning of 2020, I had in-person estate seminars at a restaurant, a hotel, different places, and I did that nearly every month. And I took a hiatus during lockdown in place, COVID-19 restrictions, and just culturally, I didn't want to conduct the webinars, even by Zoom. Although I could have, I did resume in I want to say August, and I've had them. Maybe July. I did something, and I've had them every month since. And I conducted one tonight. And, I part of what I explain, or I give when I can, a colorful story to explain and highlight a situation. And in doing that, I realized that I have 3 sets of adult siblings that are in the current roster of clients. I represent one sibling or an executor where we have 3 different cases that in each of these instances, one of the beneficiaries to the estate did not want to leave a residence. 2-family home occupying a 1-family and a multiple family, an apartment in a multiple family. Similar fact patterns. Earlier this week, I shared with you that we secured an ejectment. That's a proceeding similar in nature to an eviction, but it takes place in either Supreme or Surrogate's Court. And we did secure a decree of an ejectment. And as you can imagine, like an ejector seat, right, on a plane, an ejectment pushes someone out of the property. But really, without proper planning, you subject yourself, your family, right? Without planning, you're not around, so it's your family that absorbs the time and emotional conflict and baggage, and just, it can really tear apart a family. So think about proper planning so that you don't have a situation where one person is trying to stay in a property just so they could rest, W-R-E-S-T, get a little more money from the estate. So if you'd like to speak to me about a situation like this, or any issue affecting seniors, please go to frankbrunolaw.com.